Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove shoebox on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guy who perfectly explained how you can remove shoe boxes. So as you can see guys, this guy asked, can you remove shoe boxes with Pandabuy? So as you can see guys, this guy answered him, you have this option at shipping checkout. And right here, this explains everything. Hi there. Yeah, of course. You can buy your warehouse right side of your page. You should be able to see a net weight button. Have that button on and submit a parcel. Your shoebox will be removed. If you have any doubts regarding your orders, parcels, feel free to ask us on Discord. You will also get better updates and new discounts. And another example right here. So this guy asked how to remove shoebox before calculate the shipping price. Hi, can someone show me how to remove shoeboxes so the shipping is lighter and smaller to ship it? Thanks. So this guy answered him, either for removing the shoe boxes, you can do a rehearsal and choose remove the packing, but for the shoes without boxes that don't get damaged. You can remark to use bubble wraps to protect the shoes. And lastly, this guy said you can either do a rehearsal and select to remove tags and select net weight for shoes, or when you go to ship, you'll get the same option. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.